Okay, I'm starting out my video today by reading Ecclesiastes 3:11, which says, "He hath made everything beautiful in his time. Also he has set the world in their heart, so that no man can find out the work that God maketh from the beginning to the end." So we're going to notice the word beautiful, and we're going to look at the numbers of the scripture a little bit later. Okay, then I'm going to read Psalms 96:9. Right away you see the number 969. And what I've been showing is how that 69 is pi in Hebrew gematria, and then you got 69 going backwards, representing time and anti-time. Okay, so it says, "O worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness, fear before him all the earth." So in Ecclesiastes we saw the word beautiful, and in this verse we see the word beauty. And we're probably all familiar with the story Beauty and the Beast, and how that the beast was transformed when the beauty loved him. So if you look at the numbers of beauty, it equals 74. Beast equals 47. So beast represents the time, because time equals 47. So it's kind of representing time and anti-time coming together. That's when we're going to be transformed. So I just thought that was interesting. And it mentions the beauty of holiness. If you look at the word holiness, and you shrink each letter down to its smallest value, like H is 8, O is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, do that all the way across, then multiply all the numbers together, it's going to equal 32,400. If you drop the zeros, you get 324. And we talked about this number a lot, about it having to do with time stopping, the bride and the lamb's wife. And I'll leave a video about that so you can see how that comes to that. All right, so we're going to look at the numbers to Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes equals 120. Then it's chapter 3 and verse 11. And it talked about he's going to make everything beautiful in his time. So beauty has to do with there being no time. And if you take the numbers of the scripture, 120 plus 3 plus 11 is going to equal 134. Plus this verse 431 is 565, which is the numbers of now. And it's the 14th letter. 1 plus 4 is 5. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. W is the 23rd letter. 2 plus 3 is 5. So you get 565. Now, so 332 plus 233 is 565. If you want to shrink the numbers down, like 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 3, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, see, God lives in the now. He doesn't live in time as we do. And if you want to get to 324, you can just do this. 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is going to equal 324. And if you want to get to 6996, you can do this. 3 times 32 is 96. Going backwards, 23 times 3 is 69. So it all has to do with the beauty of holiness. That there's going to be no time. That God's going to rescue us from time. And you think about the mark of the beast, I still think it has something to do about being trapped in time. And if you take the word holy, H is the 8th letter. O is the 15th letter. 1 plus 5 is 6. L is the 12th letter. 1 plus 2 is 3. Do that all the way across. Add to the verse. Don't carry the number over. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 and 6 make a 9. So you got your 6996 in the word holy. Because God is perfectly symmetrical. He's time and anti-time together. So there's no time. So he doesn't live in time. He lives in the now. And if you take the numbers of the scripture, 9 times 6 times 9 plus 9 times 6 times 9, it's going to equal 972 plus 279 is going to be 1251. You know that 51 is a reflection of 12. And you know there's 12 numbers on the clock. You get 12 going backwards, like time and anti-time. And if you look up Luke 12:51, you see the word division. So that's when time is divided and we can leave time. And also if you take the number 12, it equals 80. I didn't write this here, but 12 equals 87. And if you put the words 87 in the gematria calculator, it's going to be, I believe, 969 in Hebrew gematria. So it's 969, 969, like we got here. And what else was I going to say? Oh, yeah. And if you take the words beauty, beast, put it in gematria calculator. I use the gematrinator calculator. Under the Sumerian value, it equals 726. And if you look at Greek 726, it means harpazo in Strong's. So it has something to do when we're transformed. Okay, well, that's my video for today. And I hope it made sense. And God's going to make everything beautiful in his time. So it's going to be his perfect timing when this is going to happen. Okay, I hope everybody has a good day.